I love how much of a thug I look like up there, Ina, in your drawing. The gap moe is very real, and I enjoy that. So
Thank you,
yeah,
thank
wow.
you. Don't mind
Oh my
that you're
gosh.
in a maid outfit. Don't mind.
Oh no, it's okay. I think that's cute. That's even like more gap. I think now I kind of want to be a maid, just for a day. Just
You're
for a day.
welcome, guys.
Moe moe kyun. How's that?
Excellent.
Yeah.
こなれ、萌え萌えキュン。
Wow, that was really
so
cute.
good.
I
So
got
good.
experience, you know.
Yeah.
One of my past lives.
Ah,
Been there, done that.
Oh, the maid?
Hell yeah.
Wow.
Do-do-do.
Do do do.